How to tag someone on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can tag someone on Facebook. Now, the first step is head over to your browser and log into your Facebook. I'll simply open my account from here. You'll get a couple of options to tag a friend. Now, if you want to tag on a new post, you can simply go here and you'll find the option to tag people. You can see right here. Click on this and you'll be able to select them. Now if you select them, you can select 1 or 2 or 3 as much as you want, or you can untick it from here by clicking on the cross option and then simply click on post and you'll tag them to a post. Any post that you want, you can post it there and you can tag them in this way. Now if you want to tag your friend to an already existing post of yours, now simply go to your profile and here go to photos, and here you can see I already have my photos. Select one, and if I want to tag one, I can simply tag them by clicking on this tag icon that I can find on my picture, top of my picture here. And once you do it, you can click here and you can select anyone that you want to tag, or you can simply search them by searching here. Now this is the other way that you can tag. This way you can tag someone on Facebook, but if you want to tag someone on others picture, you can simply go to the picture or post and click on tag photo and then click on picture and tag them from here in the similar way. So this way you can tag anyone on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.